Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Hwarang Hyung, one of our patterns. We will be looking at applying the 3 merits of a good pattern. The first is proper technique. Everything we're doing as correctly as possible. The second is power. Every skill we're performing with enough power to make it effective. And the third is focus. Focus means that I'm looking at what I'm doing, I'm looking where I'm going as I perform the skills in my pattern. Let's start off looking at proper technique. A great deal of proper technique is simply taking a moment to get myself in the correct position, to chamber a technique correctly. If I started off in the right position, it's much, much easier to perform the skill correctly, to perform it well. So as we go through, I'll be saying ready when we need to shift into a new chamber position. Now, sometimes that's not going to be necessary. We complete one skill, we're set up automatically to do the next skill. But often we have to make smaller or even larger adjustments to our position to be able to perform the next skill. So let's continue with Hwarang, working with the first merit, proper technique. Chungi. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Ready. 1. Ready. 2. Ready. 3. Ready. 1. Ready. 2. Ready. 3. Ready. 1. Ready. 2. Ready. 1. Ready. 2. 3. Ready. 1. Ready. 2. Ready. 3. Ready. 1. 2. Ready. 3. Ready. 1. Ready. 1. 2. 3. Ready. 1. Ready. Good. Hey! Ready. 1, 2. Ready. 3. Ready. 4. Back to ready. All right, that was Hwarang Hyung, proper technique. Now let's have a look at the second merit, power. Everything we're doing with sufficient power to make it effective, whether it's a block, a strike, or a kick. Often what that means is accelerating the skill, moving it more quickly to give it more power. So we're going to take it a little faster this time. Chungi, Hwarang, my count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, go. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4. That was Hwarang, applying our second merit, power. The third and final merit is focus. I look at what I'm doing. I look where I'm going. If I'm doing a punch, I'm looking where that punch is going, looking at my target. I'm not looking up at the ceiling or down toward the floor, over my shoulder into the mirror. I'm looking where the punch is going. When I'm changing directions, I look first. I move my head and my eyes. Then I start shifting my feet and my body into the new direction. I don't turn blind into a new position. So as we go through Hwarang working with focus, from time to time, when our focus shifts, when we're changing direction, you're going to hear me say, look. We look first, then we're going to move in that new direction. Hwarang, focus. 1, 2, 3, look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, look. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 2. Look. 3. 1, 2, 3. Look. 1, 2, 3. 1, go. Hey! Look. 1, 2, 3. Look. 4. Back to ready. All right, that was Hwarang, applying the third merit of a good pattern, focus. Look at what you're doing. Look where you are going. These three merits, proper technique, power, and focus, when we apply them, we get the maximum benefit from our practice of kata. They help us develop most thoroughly as martial artists through the practice of our kata. Thank you very much for joining me.